Hey there, physical science students. Mr. Tima here with a little electron configuration help and for your worksheet here. And I won't take too long, but I just want to maybe hit you with a little refresher. First of all, Niels Bohr, oh goodness, Niels Bohr came out and he said, guys and gals, and this was very important, that he said that if we have shells, that in the first shell, we can hold how many? The answer is 2 electrons. In the second shell, we could hold 8 electrons maximum. Then 3 electrons, or excuse me, in the third shell, 8 more electrons, and so forth and so on. And we keep going 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay, apples and bananas. Okay, that's kind of what it sounds like. All right, but if we look at this bad boy, all right, let's, for example, just look at helium like that was in the notes. And remember, if I write helium-4, that's the same as writing helium in script form for 2, okay? And remember, this is the mass number, which we're not worried about right now because this is electron configuration. We're worried about if this is 2 protons because that's the atomic number. We know right now that that equals 2 electrons, okay? So if I was to write the electron configuration for helium, all right, it has 2 protons, which means it has 2 electrons. Well, how many can fit in the first shell? Well, 2 people, right? 2 people can fit in that first shell. So there's nobody left. The answer is just 2. Okay, the answer is just 2. But what if we maybe go to oxygen? Okay, oxygen, okay, has an atomic number of 8 and an atomic mass of 16. So with 8 protons, that equals 8 electrons. Okay, well now it gets a little different. But how many can fit in the first shell? The answer is 2. So we're going to put 2 in there. We're left with 6 electrons. We go to the next floor. Well, we can fit 8. We could fit 8 in there, but we only have 6 left. So we're going to put all those people in there, and the answer is 6. So the whole answer is 2 comma 6. And what I loved about this is 2 plus 6 equals 8. And I knew I was right. Okay? See if you can do this one. Neon. Neon. Okay? Neon, if you actually look at a periodic table, if you look at the link that's on your homepage there on the Schoology thing, you'll notice that, oh my goodness, what's happening? My big old hand's in the way. All right, but 10, and it has an atomic mass of 20. See if you can do that one real quick. Well, that's 10 protons, okay, which equals how many electrons? Okay, 10 electrons. How many go in the first? 2. That changes this to 8. How many can fit in the second floor? It is 8. Well, we only have 8 people left, so let's put all 8 there. 2 comma 8. See what I mean? This isn't so hard. This isn't